Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made tremendous strides in recent years, and much of that progress has been fueled by machine learning, a tool that allows computers to learn from data and make intelligent decisions. So, what is machine learning, and how does it fit into the bigger picture of generative AI? At its core, machine learning teaches a system to make predictions by learning from examples. The most commonly used type of machine learning is supervised learning, where the system is trained on labeled data, meaning the input and output are provided, so the machine learns to map them together. For example, think about how your email filters spam. The system has learned to identify whether an email is spam or not based on past data. Machine learning doesn't stop there. It's used in everything from speech recognition to machine translation, even in online advertising. These systems analyze massive amounts of data to provide results like turning speech into text or serving you ads you're likely to click on. Now, let's connect this to generative AI, which includes systems like ChatGPT. These systems are built using large language models, or LLMs. What these models do is quite fascinating. They predict the next word in a sequence, just like filling in the blanks. For instance, if you give a prompt like, "My favorite drink is," the model might predict the next word to be coffee or bubble tea, based on the data it has been trained on. These LLMs are trained using supervised learning. They're fed massive amounts of text data, sometimes trillions of words, so that when given a prompt, they can generate coherent, human-like responses. The more data they have, the better they become at predicting the next word and generating meaningful sentences. So, why has AI taken off in recent years? One reason is the sheer volume of data available today. With the rise of the internet, the amount of digital data has exploded, allowing AI models to train on more information than ever before. Another reason is the advancement in hardware, like GPUs, which help process this data faster. But machine learning isn't just about making predictions, it's also about making the right decisions. For example, in reinforcement learning, the system learns through trial and error, like training a robot to navigate through a maze or teaching a computer to play chess. The system gets feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, which helps it figure out the best path to success. Another branch of AI is unsupervised learning, where the system works without labeled data. It looks for patterns in the data and groups them into categories. Imagine feeding the system a bunch of unlabeled pictures of birds and cats. The AI would figure out that some images are of birds and others are of cats, even though you didn't explicitly tell it what they were. So how do these techniques come together? In the world of generative AI, we combine these machine learning methods to create systems that not only classify data, but also generate new content, whether it's text, images, or even music. For example, think of how ChatGPT generates human-like text responses. It uses supervised learning to predict the next word, but it can also be fine-tuned to generate more context-aware and creative answers, all thanks to the power of machine learning. In summary, machine learning is the driving force behind generative AI. It helps systems learn from data, make intelligent decisions, and even create new content. And as these models continue to grow in size and capability, the possibilities are endless, from automating tasks to making our digital interactions more human-like. If you want to learn more about how AI works and its future potential, stay tuned for more videos on Next Gen AI. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment below.